Hello, this is a way to make an LED light bulb light up with batteries, homemade batteries. Okay, the materials you need are 4 pop cans, copper wire, 8 sponges, and 4 paper towels. You need a can opener, 7 alligator clips, and some salt water. Okay, first thing you do is take the can opener, then you open the can bottle. After you get the can open like that, then you take your sponge and you take a copper wire. This is braided copper cable. I use coaxial cables for cable TV. I stripped the outer insulation off and I kept only the braided outer shield.
Like this.
No, you don't.
Yes, I got it. Like this.
No.
And the sponge is on this too. Six, that's all. No, you don't put it there.
Oh, yeah.
Put it there.
Yeah.
No. Stop, leave it.
It's like a wick.
And now you take the tape. Where's the tape?
Yeah.
Cover this up.
Are you recording?
Bend it more so you can see this part.
Wait.
Bend your head a little more. Aha.
Yeah, and it should turn out like this. With a
But
piece
what you
of
did now, you
copper
have to say.
sticking out. What I really did was just wrap it around the sponge 6 times, and it came out really squished. Okay, then you take it and you wrap it. You wrap the copper wire around the paper in the paper towel, and then act as an insulator because you can't make the copper touch the aluminum. It won't work. Okay, and then take a piece of duct tape, and then you tape
Put it right there.
and you tape it there.
So it doesn't reach anything. Now squeeze it.
Now, then after you do that, you squeeze it real hard and you put it in the aluminum, so if you have. If any copper is sticking and touching the aluminum, you have to take it out and redo it. The way you could figure out if it's touching the aluminum is taking your multimeter and placing and taking positive and negative. This is positive, this is negative, and you put it and check. The scale's on the multimeter's on 200 ohms. So if the number is closer to 0, then that means some tissue got cut and the copper is touching the aluminum. Okay. There is none copper wire touching the aluminum. Okay. That's a good thing. Okay. Inside this beaker I put in salt, so it would have to be so it couldn't take no more. And then and it's really hot. So now I'm gonna pour it into the can, so I could make it's 100 milliliters. So that's about quarter way. Then you swirl it around so the paper towel could get wet and the sponge would get wet too. And and it's important for the copper wire to get wet by the salt water.
Yeah.
After you finish, then you connect all 4 of your batteries. And here is my batteries. Now, after you do that, then you measure the battery. See how many volts it is. We have 548 here. It's going down right now.
I think we saw this now.
Okay, so after you finish that, then you connect it with the alligator clips. You connect it positive to negative. This is positive and this is negative. I already have 4 batteries finished because I already did this project and I tried it out. Here is the 4. I'm going to put it in order so all can see how it's done. Okay, this is positive. Then we follow the pattern. It went from positive to negative. Then it went from positive to negative. Then it went from positive to negative. That's the 4 batteries. When you're done, where's the LED light? Oh, there. After you connect it, then the last one is going to be negative. So then you put one more alligator clip and put it on positive, and then take your LED light and you put it on the wire. We're on the 20 volts, and the volts it made was 2.65. 66. It's going higher and lower. Okay. After we've done that, then you take the voltage, the multimeter, then you take the 2 empty ones and you take your LED light.
We'll put it high up so they can see. Put one on, that one. That's positive, this is negative. So
this one is positive, and this alligator clip is negative.
because this is on the negative. And this one is on
And it
positive.
should light the LED light. It's not lighting. Okay, we're not gonna use this last battery because it's gonna be the voltage is gonna be way too high. It's gonna burn the LED light. So we're gonna light it with the 4 batteries. And now the LED light should be working. I'm gonna blink it so you could see it a little bit. On, off, on, off, on, off. See it? And we're gonna connect the motor so we can show it moving. Another side here. And it should work.
Put it on.
Oh,